Hi all, welcome back to another tutorial at Scratch Skills. In today's video, we'll be starting with a new programming language, Python. So in this video, we'll be covering the topic all you need to know to get started to learn Python. So everyone might have a question, what is Python? Python is a computer programming language often used to build websites and software, automate tasks, and conduct data analysis. Python is a great general purpose language, meaning it can be used to create a variety of different programs and isn't specialized for any specific problems. Okay, what is it in simple words? In simple words, Python is a computer language. It is used to write applications, game making, websites, and many more things, and it is easy and fun to learn. And that was easier to understand. Going on, what are the benefits of learning Python? There are many benefits to learn Python, and some of them are earning potential. Python is the second highest paid computer language. Ease of comprehension. One of the top benefits of Python is that it is not only easy to learn, but is also fun to use. Flexibility. Python is really flexible and really fun to learn, and it is used in many industries. Going on, can we learn Python free of cost? Yes, we can. Python is an open source programming language, which means you can use it completely free. You can download Python and its frameworks and libraries at no charge at all. And I will be showing that in my further coming videos. So, which IDE do we use for Python? Okay, wait. Now, many of you might have a doubt on what is IDE. So let's solve that and let's see what is IDE. IDE, an integrated development environment, is a software application that helps programmers develop software code efficiently. Now that we know what is Python, that is why if you want to learn programming language in Python, you will need to code editor or an IDE. Now let's go back to the question where we came from. Which IDE do we use to learn Python? The most popular IDEs for experienced Python developers are PyCharm and Visual Studio Code. PyCharm is a fully featured IDE that offers many features including code completion, code navigation, refactoring, and debugging. So that tells that I recommend using PyCharm. So in my next video, I'll be instructing on how to download PyCharm. The link will be given in the description. Well, okay, that's all for this tutorial. Anyway, let's have a quick summary. We know that Python is beneficial for our learning. It is fun and easy to learn. We can learn it for free of cost, and which IDE we can use, and a few more stuff, didn't we? Anyway, let's go to fun fact time. Contrary to what most people think, Python is not named after the snake Python, but it is after the British TV show Monty Python Flying Circus. Did you know that? Anyway, now it's shout out time. Shout outs to Capsicum and Bubbly. And if you want to shout out, you can just go to my community section and answer the questions I ask, or you can comment down in this video. Well, that is all for today. I would like if you all join me in the journey to learn Python from the complete basics to the professional projects, just through these short and simple videos, gradually. Remember, if one can do it, you can do it. I will be posting many more tutorials followed by this one, so make sure you follow them and track your progress. That's it for today. Bye, all.